Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Pinterest idea pin. So I will show you step by step how you can do that. So first you need to open up your Instagram app, and then here you need to click on the plus icon in the bottom, and then you need to click on idea pin. So this will open up all the files that are stored on your device. So here you can choose a video that you want to create, or if you want to open up a camera and record a video, you can click on this button. So I've already created a video, I will choose that one, and then you need to click on next, and here you will see a music button right next to text. You need to click on it, and here you will see a bunch of different songs. You can browse by mode or genre. I will choose this one and then click on add, and here you can choose different portion of the song by dragging left and right. If you want to change the song, click on this upside arrow and this will open up again all of the songs. If you want to increase or decrease the volume of the song, click on this tuning button in the bottom right, and here you can increase the volume of the music or decrease the volume. You can increase or decrease the volume of the original video as well. And once you are done, you need to click on done. After saving changes, you need to click on next, and here you can write a title. You can pick a board. You can tag related topics if you want to reach to broader audience. And if you want to allow comments, you need to click on advanced settings and then click on allow comments. And once you are done, you need to click on publish. So this is how you can add a music to your Pinterest idea pin. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.